Let's be honest, you're probably feeling it. I know I am. Whether you're making content, sharing it, or just trying to watch it, we are all drowning in a massive global content tsunami. The sheer amount of stuff out there is it's overwhelming. So the big question is, how on earth do we tame it?
Okay, just to give you a sense of scale, let's look at one platform, YouTube. Every single day, over 3.7 million new videos get uploaded. I mean, that's not per year or per month, that's every single day.
And, it's not just the long-form stuff. Pop over to Instagram, and you'll see users share more than 95 million photos and videos. Again, we're talking daily. The volume is it's truly hard to wrap your head around.
But here's the thing, it's not just about the volume. It's also about complexity. Take a huge dynamic market like India. A full 70% of all new digital content isn't even in English. Nope, it's in a whole host of regional languages.
And that right there brings us to the core problem facing literally the entire media industry. When you're dealing with this content tsunami, this massive volume, this incredible complexity, how can anyone, and I mean anyone, from creators to platforms to advertisers, possibly keep up?
The simple truth is, the old way of doing things is completely broken. I mean, it's toast. Manual workflows, where people have to sift through everything by hand, they're just buckling under the pressure. And at the same time, audiences now they demand super personalized content, and they want it right now.
So to fix this, we need more than just a better tool. We need a totally new kind of engine, a fundamental shift. And that's exactly where a full-stack platform like Choice AI enters the picture.
Now, what's really important to get here is that Choice AI isn't just another single-feature app or plugin. Think bigger. It's a complete end-to-end AI engine that's built to handle the entire lifecycle of a piece of content.
And this journey map gives you a great overview of what that means. It all starts with ingest and intelligence, which is all about understanding the content. Then comes processing and enhancement, where it's made better. After that, distribution and delivery. And finally, monetization and analytics, so you can actually see the impact.
So for the rest of this explainer, we're going to zoom in and focus on one of the absolute coolest parts of that journey, how we can supercharge content by unlocking its digital DNA. And we do that with something called metadata enrichment.
So, what in the world is metadata? Well, the best way to think about it is as your content's DNA. Seriously. It's all the data about your content, the descriptive tags, the context of what's happening, even the emotions in a scene. This DNA is what makes your content discoverable, recommendable, and let's be real, valuable.
And right here, you can see it in action. Look at this. The AI is literally analyzing every single frame, every word, every character to automatically build that rich DNA. It's identifying objects, flagging sensitive content, running sentiment analysis, and building out a detailed timeline. There's just no way a human team could do this at this speed or scale. No way.
And the payoff for doing this? Oh, it's huge. All of a sudden, you get a much richer understanding of your own content. Your assets become instantly searchable. You get consistent, high-quality metadata every single time, and your whole workflow gets faster and smoother. At the end of the day, this automated metadata is the secret sauce. It's the engine that powers smarter recommendations, the "you might also like" feature. It's what gives you lightning-fast search results and those deep audience insights that actually drive engagement.
So all this comes together to create the Choice AI advantage. But what really gives this platform a decisive edge out there in the real world?
Well, the difference is just night and day. The old way is all about slow, manual work, juggling a bunch of different single-purpose tools. But the Choice AI way, it's one automated platform that gets you results up to 5 times faster, and get this, at a 60 to 70% lower cost. The efficiency gains are just massive.
This table really puts it in perspective. You see, most competitors are what we call point solutions. They only do video or they only do audio. But when you look at key features like metadata and tagging or content repurposing, it becomes obvious that Choice AI is the only true full-stack platform that covers the whole journey. It's really built for where media is going. It has the breadth to cover the whole life cycle, the depth to handle multiple languages in real time, and it's built to be plug-and-play, so it slides right into the systems people are already using. And this quote just nails the whole shift perfectly. The linear era is over. The future is fluid. Think about it. The old model of making one piece of content for one channel, that's dead. Now, content has to be fluid. It has to be endlessly understood, remixed, and personalized for every single platform out there.
So that leaves us with one final question to think about. In this new, fluid world, how are you going to use AI and that deep understanding that comes from rich metadata to completely reshape the way you create, manage, and monetize your own content?